Qaflat Rast.
Qaflat Rast. So yeah, this is basically a technique.
I'll send it to you, Lena. Do I do it?
Yeah? Yes. Okay. So this is a technique where basically you're merging the tremolo with the grace note. And it's really good whenever you have a note and you're descending to a note that is lower. It's particularly nice if you have a gap. So like say you have a one note gap or two notes gap. So like do, la, or do, sol. So you have, but also you can do it on the note and then the note right directly below it. But it's really particular for certain phrases like Qaflat Rast. So if you're doing Taqasim, you're doing so you have to just repeat this technique. How many times? Do, la, fa, fa, re, mi, fa, re, da, da, 4 times. So it's really effective for creating that authentic. Extremely idiomatic of Rast. So yeah, that's a Qaflat Rast. If you're doing a Taqsim Rast, this will be a perfectly valid idiomatic phrase.